It's 1:37 a.m. on a dark New Jersey highway. Officer Reeves spots a black Nissan drifting across lanes on Route 130. What starts as a standard traffic stop quickly unravels when the officer spots open liquor bottles right next to the driver. Let's see how this unfolds.
How you doing, ma'am? Officer Reeves, please. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance on you? Good luck.
No, I have everything.
Okay. She has shooters and stuff inside the hospital. Where are you coming from tonight?
I was at Vera.
At what?
Vera,
What is that?
the nightclub.
You drink anything to drink tonight there?
Yes, I did have one drink.
You had one drink?
Yeah.
Did you have any screwball or anything before you got there?
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Were you drinking while you're driving?
No, I'm not drinking while I'm driving, no.
Or were you earlier?
I was at Vera, like I just said.
Hey, can you hop out from here quick?
Yeah, sure. Now you got me worried because I don't know where the
Come on. Got it? There you go. You can just leave your purse in the car. We're not going to worry about it in a second. Just do me a favor, stand right behind your car. Okay. So the reason I stopped you, I was driving about a mile there. You were driving over the white solid line. You were in the right lane, driving over the right solid line a couple times there. Okay. You're slurring your words a bit. I can smell a little bit of alcohol coming off you. You have a fireball shooter in your center console, and you have a fireball mostly empty open on your floorboard in your passenger seat.
Yeah.
Okay. How much did you drink tonight? How much did you drink tonight?
Before I went into Vera, yes, I did have the fireball before I went to Vera, but other than that.
How much did you have of Vera?
I've had probably like a shot when I got to Vera, but that was about it. Me and my friend were just like dancing.
How long were you there for?
Probably like an hour.
You had a shot at Vera in Philadelphia in an hour?
No.
Or in Jersey?
Not Philadelphia.
In Jersey?
Yeah, in Cherry Hill. Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
I stayed.
So, eyes real quick for me.
I stayed right there in Delran.
Okay. Wait, where do you stay at?
Right there in Delran.
We're at Delran. So why are you driving this way then?
Because I was gonna be a little frisky and see my little boo, but then I was thinking maybe not.
Okay.
You have a problem with your eyes?
I have contacts in.
Fingers on top of the pen? Now what you do is just keep your hands still. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to move the pen from side to side. Okay? Now I want you to follow the pen without moving your hand. Okay?
Notice the conflict here. She claims just one shot, but the open fireball shooters, slurred speech, and erratic driving tell a different story. Officer Reeves has enough suspicion now to conduct field sobriety tests to confirm impairment. If you were the officer, would you believe her timeline?
I'm gonna run you through 2 more tests, okay? So like I said, I just want to make sure everything's good. Do you have any issues with your balance that would impede you from taking a couple tests for me? No? No? Okay.
I wear contacts. So.
It's going to be for your legs. Anything issues with your balance or anything that will keep you standing upright?
No.
No? Okay. So, just do me a favor. You stand around this line right here. Yep. Yep. What you're going to do is you're going to put your right foot in front of your left in the heel-toe position just like this, okay? You're going to hold that. Put your left foot on the line. And put your right foot right there. And hold that position until I tell you. Now keep your hands to your side. Keep your hands to your side. Okay. I'm going to demonstrate the test for you, okay? You're going to take a series of 9 steps in the heel-toe position, just like this. 1, 2, 3. I did 3. You're going to do 9, okay? Once you get to the 9th step, you're going to pop your back foot out, do a series of small steps, and get back in the starting position, the heel-toe position, okay? Once you get back in the position, you're going to do a series of 9 steps back, counting out loud. 1, 2, 3. Once again, I did 3. You're going to do 9, okay? Do you understand my instructions?
Yeah.
Okay. You may begin. Yep. Remember, heel to toe. You gotta do heel to toe. None of them you touched with. 9 back. Okay. We got one more test with either of your legs, whichever leg you feel more comfortable with. Okay. You're gonna stand with your hands to your side, feet just like this. When I tell you to begin, you're gonna begin. You're gonna lift whatever foot you prefer up, 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the ground, just like this. Okay. You're gonna count out loud. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, until I tell you to stop. Okay. Do you understand?
So start at 1 1,000.
Yes.
1 1,000, 2.
6 inches.
Well, I can't touch the floor.
No, 6 inches off the ground, just like this, just like this. Hands to your side.
I didn't say I was that. I don't think. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10. Yeah.
Alright, you stop. Stay right here for a second. Yes. Okay. Do me a favor, turn around, put your hands behind your back. Right, you're under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
After failing the walk and turn and putting her foot down repeatedly on the one leg stand, the probable cause is solid. Officer Reeves moves immediately to arrest. In New Jersey, this triggers John's Law, mandating her vehicle be impounded for 12 hours. No exceptions.
No. Okay, step back to my car.
How do I get back home?
Alright, so basically what's going to happen is we'll go back to the station, okay? We'll read you your rights, provide 2 samples. Okay. 2 breath samples. No. Breath samples, okay? And then you call someone to come pick you up.
Well, what about my car?
Your car gets towed for 12 hours for impound, okay?
Do I have to pay for that too?
Yeah, so basically, let me explain it to you. So, whenever there's a DUI, whenever you get arrested for DUI, okay, there's a law we have, it's called John's Law. So basically what that means is there wasn't someone in the past that got released from while driving while intoxicated. They got in their car, hit someone, and killed them, okay? So it's a countrywide rule that we have to follow.
I mean, I get that, but I would never.
I know, some people, everyone says
No, that like,
it's
really
for our
makes me
safety,
emotional
okay?
because I'm a mom,
See
and
back
I
here?
would never.
I know,
ever,
trust me, I
mean,
completely
my dad
understand.
is in jail right now for that dumb shit.
What?
I would-
Okay, no, I'm not going to.
Yeah, that really.
Do me a
just
favor.
hit home.
Can you open or spread your legs for me real quick? Okay, you said you have nothing on you, right?
No, absolutely.
Okay. I'm just going to use the back side of my hand to
Go ahead.
check your pants.
You gotta do it.
So you said you didn't know where your purse was?
My purse is in my.
Or not your purse, your wallet.
My wallet is in my car.
Is your ID?
I was looking for my registration.
Okay, we're not going to get about the registration.
It's the fact about the registration. I never printed that
Hop in there for me.
stupid shit out.
Oh, turn this way, turn this way. Turn this way. There you go. Knee up. Leg. Good. There you go. Seatbelt in. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be a little uncomfortable, okay? Are they tight? Oh, let me see. Alright, they're not as tight. Okay. I can't loosen them up any more than that. Okay. 1 second. Watch your arm. What's your first name?
Alexis.
Alexis?
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Newberry.
Newberry?
Newberry.
Okay. Where do you live at? I'm gonna read you your Miranda rights real quick, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? I need a verbal yes or no.
Yes.
Yes. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand that? You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. Do you understand that? What's that? Yes. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed at no cost to represent you before any questioning if you wish one. Do you understand that? What's that? If you agree to talk to us, the decision to waive these rights is not final, and you may withdraw your waiver whenever you wish, either before or during questioning. Do you understand that? If you agree to talk to us, a decision to waive these rights is not final, and you may withdraw your waiver whenever you wish, either before or during questioning. Do you understand that? Yes. Okay. Can you spell your first name for me?
Alexis.
Last name?
Newberry.
Was it Berry? Berry? Okay. I know. Like I said, we'll try to get back to the station ASAP.
From my child's father, family,
You're not going to jail.
well,
So, state of New Jersey, driving while under the influence is just traffic tickets. Okay, just traffic tickets, that's all it is. Okay. So basically, what we're going to do is, like I said, we're going to, once we get done here, okay, your vehicles will be getting towed. Okay.
yeah, but then I gotta pay for that.
I know, but it's something
I don't have.
I have zero discretion with that. We have to. Okay, it's a law we have to follow. Myself and you are going to head back to the station. Another officer. You're going to sit by for 20 minutes.
440 Poplar Street.
Okay, 20 minutes. We have to do a 20-minute observation. Provide 2 breath samples, and then you get out of here. That's all it is. Okay. You're not going to jail. You're going to get issued a couple tickets tonight, and that's it.
Escort him to the hospital.
Drive me in my car back.
Your car's getting towed.
I'm a college student. Yeah, but is someone gonna drive my car back?
If you can't get a ride home, we'll get you a ride home.
I don't have a ride home.
Okay. So if we have to, we'll try.
I don't remember his phone number by heart unless y'all gonna take my phone.
We're gonna take your purse, your phone, everything's going with us.
Yeah.
It's not staying in the car.
If that's the white purse,
Yeah.
the Steve Madden, that's my purse.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
your little wallet fell on the floor. I picked that up. That has your license and all.
Yeah, I was wondering where that went.
Okay.
I got that, and then I have the car key to stay with the car, but the rest of the keys I put in your car, my purse.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, Alexis, I'm gonna ask you once again, how much did you drink tonight? Just be honest at this
I
point.
literally had one or two drinks.
Drinks?
That was
What were the drinks?
I can't tell you. It was whiskey. That was literally it.
Like shots or like mixed drinks?
No, it was shots.
Shots, okay.
Yeah.
And how many shots of Fireball, or not Fireball, Screwball did you have
Just
beforehand?
before I went there, which was about before 8 p.m.
Okay, so you got there at 8 p.m., you had a couple shots.
Yeah.
What time did you get there?
I don't know. I think I left. It depends on when he texted me. Because when he texted me and told me, I have this whole thing with my baby dad. He texted me and told me he was going to be home. I'm always with the kids. So I was like, I'm going out. Like,
So you don't know what time you got there at?
So yeah, it was probably like 8:30, maybe 8:40. I don't know. It really depends on my
What time did you leave?
It really depends on my text messages.
Okay, you don't know what time you left?
Yeah, because I know when I texted him, I told him that I wasn't home. That was probably like 10, 20 minutes before I left.
Okay. We're not going to worry about this for a second, okay?
And then
All right. Watch your arm. Yep, we're almost there. Gotcha. Center here. Right there. Vera, up the steps. We're almost there. Like 1 more minute and the cuffs are gonna come off. Do me a favor, just face that wall. Fix in a second. Down here. Take it right. Now that sign that says stop. Right down here. The quicker we get on the bench, the quicker you get the cuffs off. Down here. Take a left. Alright, you're good. It's gonna turn around when we walk in. Right here. Do you favor, turn around? Stand up. It's easier to get them off. Roll cuff your hands. I know it's gonna be uncomfortable for a second. Once I cuff your right hand, just pull the top of your head for me. Thank you. Actually, can you do me a favor? Can you step over here? I just gotta take 2 sets of pictures, or 1 set of pictures for our in-house. It's only in-house. It doesn't go anywhere else. Huh? No, it doesn't get posted anywhere, so it stays strictly in-house. Let's go over here and take it right. You're gonna see 2 footsteps. Stand inside them for me. Door with you. What's your sister's name? What was it? Jacqueline? Jacqueline. Can I step over here real quick for me? 1 second. Okay. Good? So I believe the sergeant, he's told me, he kind of gave you a real quick synopsis of it. Basically, if you want to read this, you can read it. It's just basically stating that you were taking custody of her for the next 12 hours. If she gets in a vehicle, if she does anything like that, gets in a car and drives away and gets pulled over again or gets arrested, it's on you as well. Okay? So if you want to give this a real quick read, it's up to you. And some people do, some people don't. If you acknowledge it, you're just going to print your name. You're going to print your name, address, city, and then right down here you're just going to sign stating that you acknowledge. Search.
How do I get my address?
It's in there. Yeah, both copies are in there. And then right here, if you sign right here, it's just stating that you take liability for her.
Alexis later blew a 0.13%, nearly double the legal limit, and pleaded guilty to DUI. It's a costly night, fines, classes, and an interlock device. A tough lesson that just 1 shot can end in handcuffs. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more Bodycam analysis.